Now that your Fee tokens are in your wallet, here's how to convert them into XRP. In this video, I'll guide you through how to swap FEE tokens for XRP using the XAMAN Wallet. Start by opening your XAMAN Wallet. Make sure you can see your Fee and XRP balances. Tap on the swap option to open the exchange interface. Set Fee as the token you want to swap, then choose XRP as the token you want to receive. Enter the amount of FEE you want to swap. The app will automatically display the current exchange rate. Check the transaction details and fees. Then slide to confirm the swap. Authorize the transaction by entering your passcode or using biometric verification. Once the process is complete, your Fee tokens will be converted into XRP. Your updated balance will be visible in your wallet. From here, you can transfer your XRP to any XRP wallet like Coinbase and withdraw into USD from any authorized exchange that accepts XRP. That's how you can easily swap Fee tokens for XRP using the XAMAN Wallet.